Hi everyone and welcome back to the Tech Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most useful accessories for your GoPro setup, the GoPro Media Mod. Whether you're vlogging, podcasting or just want better audio and more creative options, this little add-on might be exactly what you need. So let's break it down and let's get into this buying guide. Let's start the episode. So here it is. I'm not going to go through a complete demonstration. I've had one of these for a while, mainly because I wanted the access to HDMI when I used to do live streaming on my drum channel. And I also wanted this. So this is a really good microphone. It really is a lot better than the internal one. And the fact you get the muffler helps outside with wind. As well. I live in the UK and it's a pretty windy place, unless it's really like peak of summer. We have one day of good weather a year. Anyway, it's a frame that your GoPro sits in very easily there. Any buttons it covers, it kind of has those buttons as extras. You get some code shoes, you get some mounts at the side. On the back, you have a 3.5mm jack for mic, the USB-C, so that also works with charging pass-through, as well as on that Volta. Now check out the Volta as well, I've reviewed that, so check that link below. There's also the micro HDMI port as well, which is why I originally got this thing. Anyway, it does exactly what it says on the tin really, and it definitely increases the productivity of your setup, regardless of what you're doing. Now, as much as I do like just going out with my GoPro on its own naked, if I know I'm outside, I'm going to make an effort to use this because of the muffler. Now, you just take the door off of your GoPro, slot it in, that plugs in there, done. So it's a really sturdy piece of kit, which is great. So I was attracted to this due to the superior mic, to the built-in one, and the muffler. So when you're outside, it does reduce that wind noise. In this video, I'll walk through the history and the background of the Media Mod, go over the key specifications and features, we discuss the pricing, both brand new and on the pre-loved market, and finally, I'll give you my summary on whether it's still worth picking up in 2025. So let's get started. The GoPro Media Mod was first introduced alongside the GoPro Hero 8 Black in late 2019. GoPro wanted to push their cameras beyond action sports and more into the content creator and vlogging space. The Media Mod was designed with an expansion cage that was completely transformed your GoPro into a mini production setup, and it does that. And I can't believe this thing is like 7 years old, man, it's crazy. So the key specifications and features include a directional built-in microphone for clearer voice recording and reducing wind noise, 2 code shoe mounts perfect for attaching lights, extra mics or small monitors, a 3.5mm mic input so that you can plug into your own shotgun or microphone, HDMI output which allows you to connect to the external displays or use it for live streaming setups, that's micro connection, USB-C pass-through so that you can still charge and transfer data while the Media Mod is attached, and slim wraparound design so it acts like a frame or on your GoPro without adding too much bulk, and there's extra protection. So GoPro has since kept the Media Mod available for the newer models, so Hero 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, and it's compatible. This one is compatible with all of them, so one size fits all. So pricing wise, brand new, the GoPro Media Mod usually retails around about £80 to £90 in the UK. On the pre-loved market, for an example, on eBay, you can often pick one up anywhere between £50 and £60, depending on the condition and whether it's boxed. If you're on a budget and already invested in the GoPro ecosystem, which is not cheap to get into, the pre-loved option is definitely worth checking out. And if you can find one in good quality, they're good to go. So as much as I do love GoPro accessories, they are a bit on the premium price side when you already buy them directly, as I always recommend the pre-loved market on eBay, but do your due diligence on the seller. So is the GoPro Media Mod worth it in 2025? If you're only using your GoPro for casual holidays, clips or action shots, you might not need it. But if you're serious about content creation or if you use it regularly, you're vlogging or live streaming, then the Media Mod adds a whole new level of functionality and production value. The ability to get much better audio, plug in external mics and mount accessories really makes your GoPro feel like a tiny all-in-one camera wig. On the second-hand market, it's a solid investment and you can make an older GoPro feel much more versatile without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching this Tech Hub buying guide on the GoPro Media Mod. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more tech buying guides and reviews. Tell me, if you've got the Media Mod, what do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. And as always, please be kind. Follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWiltsUK and check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk. I'm Ash and I'll see you on the next Tech Hub episode.